Fanshawe Pioneer Village was initially developed in the mid-20th century by the Ontario Conservation Authorities. Visitors claim to have seen apparitions, ghosts of the past walking the grounds. People say some doors should remain closed. We say, hand over the keys. Okay, so Paul, what we'll do is we'll go check out that barn and make it around to the blacksmith, and then we should make... would you please put that stuff away?
It's my lunch.
Yeah, I know. Just enough with the stupid tricks, Paul. Please.
I sense too much tension, and unless I get a hug, I'm done.
Oh, come on. We gotta get moving. I'm just a little stressed out, but we're losing light, and we gotta get moving.
Thanks,
okay?
Tito.
Okay, come on. Well, I said we'll go. Paul! Come on!
I don't even own a pair of handcuffs.
Would you stop it with...
There they are. I've been looking all over for them. What are you doing with them anyway?